Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. But not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save life. Yes, preemptive strike save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel hate criminals with a passion. Yes, we hate criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet awaits you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. If this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above. Click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not a sympathetic channel for criminals. You must go elsewhere if you want a criminal sympathizer channel. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your mama, your papa, mommy, daddy, and girlfriend, boyfriend, neighbor, side chick, side man, and your co-worker. Yes. Remember to share the video. And tell a friend to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. That we at this channel, we hate criminals with a passion and we don't want them to go to prison. We have lots more of video that are not on YouTube. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you'll be able to gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this on top collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Join our Patreon community allows you to explore content that complies with laws, rules, regulations while avoiding disruption of our channel's functionalities. Moving on to today's videos. Wherever you are, and you're listening to this video, make sure you sit down, sit properly, and because what you're going to hear, something is going to blow your mind. I'm telling you, yes, it's going to blow your mind. Hope you're ready for to knowledge is power. But before we begin today's video, we want to let our Patreon members know we are incredibly grateful for your support of supporting our channel, the Jamaica Young Police channel squad, and the members from the following countries: England, United States of America, Jamaica, Canada, Cayman Islands, Trinidad and Tobago, Sweden, Spain, Germany, Nigeria, South America, Italy, Russia, Barbados. Yeah, but we have all Jamaican. Well, I don't know, so we have Jamaicans Mexico. Why life? Hey, so Jamaicans all over the globe, man. Yeah, so yeah, and so thank you. Your ongoing support is invaluable and help us to continue producing high qualities contents. Yeah, man, thanks. And to we have read the comments. We read. We're not going to say all. We're going to say most of your comments that you have commented on the channel. Yes, on the Jamaica Young Police channel. We read most of your comments. So we just wanted to know that we take every comment Seriously, we don't, you understand? And we appreciated your support in every way. As a member of the Jamaica Young Police channel. And so we want you to know that those of you who have been writing that, hey look, mention that, you know what, you need to write a book, And we're just gonna give you guys a prelude. There's so many things, and we're gonna give you guys an insight. Yes, and this is only for people who are on Patreon or people who subscribe, who are paid members. You will be able, yes, and this is gonna be like you're going to hear a conversation with myself and an educator. Yes, you're going to hear, and you're going to get some in-depth things. You're going to hear about, when I talk about no hearsay, you're going to hear from an eyewitness perspective, eyewitness account. You're going to hear about murders, robberies, all kind of corruption, and in the long run, in life you have to leave a legacy that can change the world, and that's what we want to do. We want to change people's lives, so people think, because corruption hamper and destroy every facet of our lives, whether or not you want to believe it. A corrupt policeman is just as dangerous as a criminal. A corrupt judge is just as dangerous as a criminal. Corruption, it destroys all facets of our society. Because corruption means to say evil, People benefit from it. Some people get rich from it, but you have to understand it come at a cost. So if you is against corruption and them thing, you understand, you're going to learn a lot, because even from what you're going to hear from this, people will say this is something people keep emphasizing. Yeah, you need to write a book and this and that. So we're just gonna give you a prelude. Yes, you understand, to what you will get eventually. Then edit and all kind of thing before release and everything. But this is going to be a prelude, so only for people, and this is going to be on Patreon and the other part only people who are on Patreon, and we are going to mix with the certain things, and you understand what I'm saying. So moving on. Yeah, so please, we want you to pay close attention to the following important information. There are allegations that a former superintendent of police, Harry Bunglesdale and Isiah Laing, are involved in criminal activities. Yeah, this is a man who, we spoke to him today, and we're gonna let you listen for yourself. Additionally, it has been suggested by this man, that Isiah Laing and Christopher Dudus are business partners, and Justin Ogilvy is responsible for organizing the event known as Sting last year. That's what this man saying. And him go in depth, and we talk about Danai Williams, Kenneth Skendan, Black, and we talk about one old criminal organization police officer named Glenroy Zuki Clark. Yeah, you're going to hear about the killing of George and all kind of thing, and others. So if these allegations are proven true, the implications for the integrity and trustworthiness of our law enforcement and business community will be profound. It's crucial to critically examine these claims and understand their potential impact on our society. In Jamaica, them say, if you not go so, you go near so. So you watch and you listen and you decide. We're not going to tell you and give you our, after you listen it, then you'll hear what we have to say. So we believe in ensuring accountability and transparency, in vital maintaining public trust and upholding justice. Therefore, it is essential to investigate these allegations thoroughly and take appropriate actions on the findings. Remember, knowledge is power. Fool dies for want of wisdom. The best way to keep a community ignorant is to keep repeating lies to them. Eventually, they will accept these lies as truth. Although they might see the lies for what they are, they will discard the reality and propagate their falsehood, often justifying their beliefs with phrases like "I was told." So this raises an important question. What kind of people accept and spread these falsehoods? Yeah, so people always ask, how them people here? Who are these Jamaican? Where all these tell lie and all them things. Are they a simple, uninformed individual, easily manipulated? Are they acting like organic robots, programmed to follow without question, or they're valuable stooges knowingly perpetuating falsehood for some perceived benefits. It's essential to promote critical thinking and encourage questioning of information, ensuring that knowledge is based on evidence and reason. Only through education and relentless pursuit of truth can we break free from the cycle of ignorance and manipulation. And look here, if we tell us that we know everything, I lie we are telling, because we don't know everything. We know some things, not everything. And if you know everything, that means, boy, you'll be a computer, AI, where them program information. The information that we have are what we read, not what we told. You know that. And you can't come fool with them things and tell me things. Like how you tell people about, say, you know, you tell them, say, the little cow jump over the moon. The cow can't jump over the moon and anything. You know, all of them something. You can't tell with that Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. You know, a Humpty Dumpty had a great. It's a system. So you have to read. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. You're gonna enjoy this one. I'm telling you. Look, and you will see it. You
Carlos that dangerous good now, man. I grew up a Cockburn, you know.
Yeah, man. I know Carlos only from before me a policeman. Them, you understand?
Yeah. Tough brother them still, you know. Carlos murder people and all them things, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Carlos is a dangerous youth, man. Carlos, one election, you see Carlos and
Honey?
I use name Reddit. Remember Reddit?
Oh, you attack the ex-soldier?
Yeah, man, them stand up in front of the ballot box and said, nothing name Labour right and voting at this. Yeah, man. But hey, we listen to your channel, right? I mean, you say something one time, but it's so freaking true.
Yeah.
That little boy, I witness this. A brother named DK Duncan and Dudley Thompson. You hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear, man.
The man, them, you know, Pineda, right?
Yeah.
Man, them come in a blood clean car and fly the trunk bridge. And the man, them take out some machine with the man, them.
M16.
You know, right from your attack, bridge.
Yeah, man, M16.
That young youth.
Yeah, man, remember, man.
Man, them raise it up and say power gun. I think a youth named Jokoto, Delhi, Cataract, and some more man did it. That time the man them fight against toil, man, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I saw it go, man. You talk truth for real, Dudley Thompson,
and Carl Thompson. Carl Thompson.
I mean, Dudley Thompson or Carl Thompson?
Carl Thompson. Dudley Thompson different from Carl Thompson. I want to bring in the gun them in a mile road and everything. No,
well, Carl Thompson. For Cockburn Pen, I think he was the MP over there.
Yeah, man.
But the man bringing some machine for real talk, man, because the toil man, them did a fight and them kill some people on one with Pekka and thing. And man, them I say them need machine to fight back, you know what I mean?
Them thing, I mash up Jamaica, this gun business, you know.
Yeah, but it's politicians are part of it.
None of them destroy Jamaica, man, with the gun, man. And teach black people how to eat one another. We are the only people when I love yourself, you know, we eat, you understand? The easiest thing for a black man kill a black man easier than any other race, you know. That's
yeah, man, well, lack of knowledge and understanding, you know.
Well, illiteracy is bliss, you know, in Jamaica, you understand?
Absolute, man. Yeah, you have a youth there, I don't know, you probably know him. I think he used to name Django. He used to date that girl named Precious. He used to ride a bike.
Yeah.
And they used to go out with things too, you know what I mean? The Cockburn Pen now, the man are way before Bully and the man and Wally at time.
No, man, Bully, I mean, you know, I just attack Bully are idiot and them thing, man. Them boy don't have sense, you know. Make money and come a foreign, I rob them robber see man, them and them power, you know.
Hey, I have a brother if you get him name, you know. Carlos and Rifle set him up in New York. Man, they wrong them, you know.
Who you attack? You attack John?
I think I John him name, you know.
He come from Waterhouse?
Yeah, when them shot him up in New York, I almost kill him because
yeah, man. But Fall couldn't, no, Fall didn't know, say, yeah, man, that's true, you attack. Fall didn't know, say, them.
No, man, Carlos programmed it with Fall. And Fall couldn't tell Carlos no. Fall couldn't tell John nothing on them things. If he did tell John, Carlos would have killed him. Yeah, he couldn't tell Carlos.
He couldn't tell, yeah, man, that's true, you attack, man. And John that Jamaica, you know, him get deported in Jamaica.
Yeah. A long time I left them in the family at the 80s, so I don't bother go back.
That's true, you attack, man.
Yeah, man, I met them, I grew up in that place, man. you have a brother they don't from Broadleaf Road, you named Clive Johnson. They turned police, but I think them kick him out. They have the pressure labor right and everything there. He named Clive Johnson. You never had police along still.
Well, for them to fight politics at that time to them, they might idiot, you know. I don't know how a man...
Yeah, go ahead.
No, man, I don't know how a man get up and both say my fight. Wait, what is there? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but the man them Cockburn ban them wicked, but we never rate them still as bad man. We used to come around and money for buy shot and all them things and rare. But there was a little man the day in the place. The name Alaric, he must yap some bodyguard, he was a soldier.
Yeah.
He used to live on Woodpecker and the man never do nothing. So I say, yo, no about that bad man that Cockburn plays a PNP stronghold. And the brother, I remember him last year.
Yeah.
But his first name was Alaric. He was a soldier, but he was yap some bodyguard. And he used to live on Woodpecker. The man used to bring up chopper and everything there. 16 and all them things there, yeah. The boy never really touch him, you know. But yo, keep spread the word, say, but why the country mash up, you know?
Why may I tell you, you know, we just pray if you come back, but in a prayer alone, you know, prayer without action, you know, is
No, I don't think you have with that, you know. You say Trump tried with the insurrection. I don't think you can save Jamaica. The people have to unite and come together and overthrow the government. And the government has a problem.
But when you overthrow the government, who you going to put in? I see him corrupt them, you know?
No, well, you have to have people with money and you have to implement and re-revolutionize the whole thing.
So when you say I see him thing now, I go on in Jamaica, in America and them thing where you're rich. Because you know say the rich in America like that them out to do right now. Because you know say then get out Joe Biden. Because you know say Joe Biden is the only president where I look out the poor people ever in America do.
Yeah, Joe Biden, but
and you saw them
like
how them push him out. How that?
Well, them push him out because he become incompetent now, he's sick. Biden is 81 years old. Biden is sick, he have issues. There's a Biden can only walk, man.
But that if Joe Biden even dead and them thing there, you know, Joe Biden better than Trump any day, you understand?
Yeah, well, we kind of like Trump. To me, he's a Second Amendment man still.
Hold on. You have to use your brain, man. You know, see, man, the man has respect for you rule of law. If you is a man for you rule of law, you can't like the man, virgin. The man in the... No, look here, between me and them thing, if you are going to like a man just because of that, it's just like Jamaican and them thing, most Jamaican, when you come to America and them thing, you will more gravitate to the Republican because through them and them against the homosexual thing. But when you check it out, both of them I see them because remember say 10 of them did vote for get rid of don't ask, don't tell.
Yeah, but you're like Republican still.
Why? Republican don't like you as a black man.
No, they can't say that.
Why?
The Democrat don't like you. Don't let them fool
No. Tell me why.
Remember, Republican free black people, you know.
You see me I tell you now. That's why me I tell you say here you go again now. Because you are one of them when you read. If you read it,
the reason why I'm not.
No, just listen to me. I say, man, I educate you on them things. Because you know read. That's why I said that. You see, the Republican Party is the Democrat Party. The Republican Party today is the Democrat Party of then. The Republican Party, the Democratic Party today is the Republican Party of Abraham Lincoln. See me I tell you because you know read. That's why I said that, Virgin.
No. But here I do.
You see me I tell you. You so. And ask me, tell you, because I'm a read. Because you know read, that's why. So you see, you're so easy, black people can get misleaded. Look here, at them see man used to lynch black people, you know, the Republican of today, you know, them are the Democrats of the 60s, but all the way back, you know.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
So all you for states and hug up people where you see, all you for states as a black man where hug up people used to lynch your ancestors. Because you see same thing now, but I see it, that's why I tell you, that's why PMP have us as people were born and growing and get in, because we don't read everything we hear and we repeat to people tell me. Because look for a man like you now. You know, because you're born and growing in a PMP community, you hear that, which is true, say a Republican free the black people them in America. But the Republican then is the Democrat of today. You have to read.
Yeah, I agree with that. But
no, you don't agree with it because you never know, because you don't read it. You don't.
You're telling my view,
no. Tell me your view, because I'm going to educate you on them things. Because I'm 8 and time, me 8 when my view. No, look here, me 8 and time people ignorant. It hurt me. Man. It hurt me in time of people when my own people ignorant. Of course. No. No, look here. All right, hold on. Let me ask. Hold on. Let me ask you now. More to know if you're not ignorant. If you're not ignorant, more like that means I'm ignorant. If you want to say that the people them who used to lynch you because you're black and you are support them and you never did know that. You understand? And you are saying,
no, I didn't know that.
Then because you don't read, man, or because of what people tell you.
But time changed.
All time for change when you come on to reading. Reading can't stop.
Yeah, but hear my views, a big man.
Yeah.
Hear my views now. So everything with politics, people vote on what they're in line with, what they cause, what they believe in. Now, the Republican, the Democrats, they believe in same-sex marriage, they believe in abortion, they believe in LGBT. You know what I'm saying? They believe in it's a form of slavery, handout. Me and you work the tax and then take our tax money and they drove the shit up on the road and drink and naturalize.
Hold on. No, man. Hey, let's listen. No, man, listen. Hello. Let's listen to me, as a man. In 2024, who you know in America depend where I get handout in America?
A lot of people get handout.
May I ask you, tell me who in America, who in America get welfare? Them thing that look here, them thing they cut out from Ronald Reagan's there and Bill Clinton. You don't have nobody when they on the welfare in America. Only white people.
Your mind, man. Yeah, Canada cut me there, Canada cut me there welfare state that. That go on in Florida. They can welfare thing big in Florida.
Look here, let me tell you this. Look here, let me tell you this, in case you don't know anything. For you depend on welfare, you have to depend on the poverty. You know, work. And you know nothing forget. Only thing you, and even the thing them where people them get for welfare, you as a Jamaican you not go eat them because them is something that I don't know name brand food you get. And some food that they not even have the nutrition, no nutrition in it.
They have news for you, but they're supermarket.
No man.
I see a woman load up with 2 carriage. You hear me? And she go with the cashier right behind her.
Yeah.
And you know she back out by the EBT card. And she pay for that. And you know the cashier asks her what she done. And she want change back. So the woman say, how can I get one of those?
So let me ask you, so how much money you think them get from them card, the maximum?
Well, I mean I know them, I never check with it. Somebody probably $800.
Which $800 that? You need to go and look on the Department of Agriculture and you see how much money where people in on welfare get. People in on welfare, them have to eat, them have to buy ramen noodle. And them can't buy beef and all them something there. So I don't know where you get them something from.
No. Canada come up with different.
Look here, Burton. Anything will come from the federal government to give to the state them, for them give to the people them. Them have to follow a certain policies. Not because the federal government give them this, them can't do what they want to do. It come with stipulation.
Yeah, but listen, big man. They're gonna pick up some food, you know. Just keep up the good work here.
But boy, you need to read more, man. What school you used to go on them thing? Because me 8 and time I talk to my black people, them and them ignorant.
Big man, yeah, nice to meet you.
No, man, no, look here.
So besides my view not in line with your
No, I don't know views. Alright, look here, let me tell you something. You ever hear about the definition of stupid? Stupidity is knowing the truth and seeing the evidence of the truth, but still believe the lie.
My views why I like Republican. I told you Republican.
Well, look here. Alright.
They don't believe in same-sex marriage.
Alright.
They don't believe in homosexual.
Listen.
Listen, you have little boy. Your boy I take sex change and I compete in a sport. I run against girls and I beat them. Then, but these are the things that Republicans implement. Democrat implement bread. You mean like
line? What that is true, but listen to me now.
So that's why me voted in line with my views.
Well, but listen to me now, cause you
I'm not mad at you for voting it.
No, but listen to me now. You listen to me, because I educate you on them thing there.
No, it's not a matter of educating thing, big man. You're not done.
No, man, no. Hey, look here. You know mean to say because you can read and write. Mean to say but listen, me I say no.
No, but listen what I'm saying.
No, look here. Listen to me on them thing there. Because look here. Me I show you how dumb you is on them thing there. You ever about one thing when you don't ask, don't tell.
Yeah, you know about that, man.
No, me I ask you if you know about that. Don't ask.
Yeah, I know about that. Yeah.
Okay, tell me about don't ask, don't tell. What about it?
Don't ask, don't tell. If someone's sexual orientation, you don't have to dispose it. You don't have to expose it to an application or whatever. If I'm a body man, you don't have to tell them you're a body man. It's against your right. You
and what you say? It's apply to Americans.
Yeah, it's applied to America. I don't. They probably have it in Jamaica now too. No.
You see me I tell you say you know read and them thing there. I only me used to serve in the military. That law was there and it was signed by Bill Clinton. You know how many Republicans sign on for repeal that law? How many of them?
I don't know, but I don't know. Is the law still in effect?
Me say if you know, see me I tell you say cause read. Barack Obama repeal the law and 10 Republicans sign on to it. 10.
Well, we know Obama
me not talk about, me just tell you say 10 you talk about the Republican. In case you don't know, the whole of them, the two of them are scam. You see the part with the Republican them and them thing there. The Republican them is not for you as a black man. You know say all the homosexual thing where you hear them say, I follow black people, I follow, because that's not a part of our culture.
No, but them do them are inline black people into it and become black people coming and them use the discrimination and all them things. Who
you think do it against it? Who you think do it against black people in America? Racism.
Both white man and Democrats are racism too, man. You got something
look here. Me not take up for me ask you who are the biggest racists in this country?
Well, white people, a lot of white people are racist.
Okay, alright.
Black people racist against black you too.
No, black people can't race. That me tell you now.
They have classism.
Hold on. I see me tell you now how you ignorant and them thing there. You know what ignorant mean?
Ignorant, y'all is people ignorant for a program. Ignorant means someone does lack knowledge of certain things.
That's why I tell you say you're ignorant and them thing. Racism is a system. Black people can't be racist. Black people cannot be racist.
Yeah, black people fight against
me say, me not talk about. We not talk about America. Black people cannot be racist. Racism is a system.
Yeah,
that's why I tell you say ignorant. You need to read more, man, and stop listening to people. You need to read.
No, man, I listen to people, man.
How you mean you listen to people? Alright, let me ask you this now. You're alright. You ever read a Marcus Garvey book yet?
Marcus Garvey? Briefly. I'm confident in the race you already won.
Yeah, man. You never read a Marcus Garvey book, man.
No, I'm reading Marcus
You never read, that if you read that, you educate, you will wise up yourself and you will see.
Yeah, Marcus Garvey.
Look here, how old are you? Because if you know Carlos and all them, man, you're supposed to be in your 50s or in your 60s.
Yeah, man, I'm 55.
Alright. So you're older than me, and me know them man from me at 10, because them man they used to come in my house and them thing in Waterford. And Carlos, Carlos brother Honey, me know Honey's son them, Paul, Marky, and
so tell me something, you used to patrol that Cockburn Penny?
I mean, then Unspim used to work, man.
Okay.
Unspim used to work for years.
I know you still, man.
Well, if you did anything then in the 90s, early 2000s, you know me, because you understand what I'm saying. Me and Bobby Reds alone work.
You do things still, you're a dangerous man still, you know?
No, I'm not dangerous. I just do my work and them thing there, just so it go. I don't like criminal. You understand?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Criminal, you know.
Yeah, but between me and them thing there, you need to educate yourself more on them thing there, you understand? Because if you if you as a black man, if you support Donald Trump, with Donald Trump the January 6th and you support No, hold on. So you never see what happened January 6th or them the police and them thing in a capital?
Yeah, I see what I see the insurrection. I see.
Okay, so you don't have a problem with that?
Yeah, I have a problem with that.
What kind of so you have a problem with that and you still support it?
But I like the guy, man.
Oh, okay, so you just like criminal and them thing there?
No, we don't say the man like criminal.
Oh, you mean the man on a criminal?
Beat charges, right?
Beat with charges. Which part in beat charges? Them convict him for 34 felony in New York. Him lose 2 civil suit. The case of Florida and them thing that not finish yet and them thing because the judge from day one them don't say judge corrupt. You don't know say Republican Party is a party is a criminal organization. Period. Whether or not you want to believe it.
Like PNP, yeah.
See because when it come on to terrorism and them thing. Hold on. Let me educate. No, yeah. Anyway, listen.
And liberate the criminals to not just PNP, alright?
No, man. The biggest.
From a man that grew up in a PNP neighborhood.
No, and you see the reason why you say that and them thing because you're a dummy. You don't read it. You don't read either. So that's what. Alright. Now ask. Okay. Alright. You said. Alright. May I ask you now? Just listen, man. Listen to me. I say. May I ask you something on them thing? May I tell? Hello. Listen to me. I say. Listen to me. I say on them thing. Because you born and grown in a PNP community like me. Me can't think. You can't think.
But it's not a PNP. It's not a Labourite either.
Me not business where you want to be on them thing. Me a Jamaican. Listen to me. I say on them thing. And let me ask you this. Because you say both of them are the same. Can you name one judge where the Labour right them kill a Jamaica? Just tell me a name of a judge where them kill a Jamaica. The Labour right them. Tell me one judge.
But to be honest,
me not ask about that kind of politics. That is not politics. That is history.
Crime. You don't know of any.
You don't know of any. Okay, all right. So that I PNP them kill one judge when he Derek Hugh, and it was done on behalf of a man when he done. Me not even. You notice me not even use the word allege. I tell you, it was done on behalf of a man named Danai Williams. That's a thing that come from one of the boys who were dead.
Danai Williams, the big PNP brother.
Yes, man. Him will collect how much billions dollars from PNP. Same as the operation pride and him don't even be like hot. And him got a quote and get away and them thing. Billions, cause him side
Danai Williams and the brother named King down to my friend and all them people.
Then all of them the PNP, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, and I tell you now, the boy when named Lukey Campbell, where that was killing a Pegasus in a concrete jungle. Before Lukey Campbell dead, Lukey Campbell tell people on the building say Adonai Williams send him and Trevor Bulgin Bennett go kill the judge. And a police, yes man, I tell you, and a policeman, a so-called PNP police where PJ Patterson, the defense for charge of murder. One police where them call Glenroy Zuki Clark. Yes, them say him allegedly drive the vehicle where carry the man them or kill the judge. A policeman do it. So that's why I'm asking them, can you name one judge where Labour right them kill? You say the two of them are criminal. We don't dispute that, you know. But me I tell you so why the PNP is a criminal organization. Can you name one judge where PNP Labour right them kill? Alright. Can you name who you know about a man named Douglas Chambers where them killed in 2008?
I heard the name Douglas, yeah.
Okay. He was you know that killing it could it was a council brother from Spanish Town and Brown brother, Short brother. And this was all of the meeting was done in at first people are gonna hear this. It happened in a Luton Fire studio in a De La Vega City. Where them plan to kill Douglas Chambers. At the time yeah. Anyway, you need to read still though, cause you understand. Stop repeat things. In case you do not know them thing, you see the LGBTQ thing where you talk about, it has nothing to do with black people or white people thing. You remember this? You remember this brother who come from Ohio when he
black people mix up the night.
No, them use black people. Them use black people forget the black people. If you look here.
Yeah, they want the votes and all that.
Yeah. No, look here. I don't know votes and them thing there. Hey, look here. Of all of the people them in the world, you know, we are the most hated people, you know. We all not we. Some will love the people them are oppressed with. You understand? It's just simple as that. the LGBTQ club plus thing where you go on with and everything, it has nothing to do with black people. White people can't win. And that's why they might tell us a man can be a woman can be a man. A madness that. Both of them.
They are Jamaica too.
Which part of Jamaica that there? Which man of Jamaica?
No,
which man?
The PNP party part of that too.
No, well, look here. Between me and you, all we come from Jamaica, we know say you have rear admiral in every community and everything, and nobody no kill them. So, where man feel like most of them are rear admiral. Cause
from Black Rose's crew.
Who that?
He man arranged one time. They kill him. I think I read it on it. They kill him at Florida.
Black Rose. They're not kill. Black Roses. Where you get that? Black Roses.
Yeah, I think from the man. I read it on it.
Radigan come from the Black Rose. Radigan come from Black Roses school.
I think I'm from Maxfield.
Oh, Sunlight Street. California, them kill him.
Yeah, my brother named Speedy, a good brother.
Yeah, but anyway, you need to educate yourself still, though. You know? Stop repeat. Stop repeat.
So you know that there is.
Yeah, stop repeat what people tell you.
Keep up the good work here, son. Yeah, but I think one time a little man call and trick me like, whoa. But you know, I'm madman that, right?
I know what. I know him alone. Whole heap of people trick me and everything.
But you know, the brother trick me all like this and that. You know that's a madman, right?
I don't know, you know, because I'm not a doctor. I don't know.
Yeah, the man is a madman that man is thinking ahead, but you can't take the chance in them, you know?
Well, I know him alone. Then you know, say 2 weeks ago, your opposition leader, Mark Bolin, out by Rockford. Mark Bolin asked people out of Rockford if they want them to kill me and everything. And the man them out of Rockford. Yeah, man. I tell you, man them out of Rockford tell him, say, if you kill that the man there, you bring the federal government for you, because the man work for Uncle Sam, the man they are big in farmer, the man them tell you. So you know what, yeah, man, Mark Bolin. The same big belly white belly.
You know what Jamaican thing anyway, so I mean.
Why me not got why me not so which part my band? Why me not forgot down there?
No, I'm actually a bit Friday more than Friday.
No, man. Mr. Him have him surrogate, him have him criminal them up here and them thing there. You understand? But you don't know, so we are not idiot and them thing there. Because we are big informer. You understand? We are big informer in America. Because we work for Uncle Sam. We not stop being no informer because we don't like criminal.
That's a bold statement still.
So you don't like informer? You don't know so over here, so we love informer. You don't love informer?
Well, yeah,
no, tell me about no well. Is it that yes or no? No, me never ask you that. Me say, no, me ask if you no love informer. Me love informer. Me a informer. Me a biggest informer on YouTube. You no love informer? Me ask if you no love informer. No, me ask you again if you love informer. Me love. No, listen what me I say. No, listen what me I say. No, listen what me I say, man. Me love informer. Me biggest informer on YouTube. What about you? You love informer?
No, the problem is informer.
So you will be an informer too if needs be.
Absolutely, because a man murder man, you can do bullshit all day.
Okay, alright. We love we love informer over here, so you know that.
I mean, I know it's still here, I know, but I mean,
yeah, man.
You need to tell, but people scared to tell now still, you know?
Well, if anybody afraid to tell the police them nothing, just tell me, because I'm the biggest informer. Me tell the police them. Me an informer. Me one of the baddest informer. If you can't be no police and you're an informer. If you're a police and an informer, you're a criminal, you don't feel with the police. I mean, was a police and them thing, so I'm a big informer, I'm a proud informer too.
But tell me something though.
Yes.
The man, we go on and we are towards you. I see them serious and them just take it personal.
Oh.
Ignorance that's in a bit.
Why? If you man them want to kill me?
Yeah.
Oh, now the truth them want me shut up, man, because I talk the truth. Just like how you I tell me say both political party I see, I tell you say liberate the man I see him because they never kill no judge. The liberate they never kill no government official, and we PNP alone do it. So that's why I tell you say PNP is a criminal organization. That's why that's a reason why I call him that. Hey, look here, I can't tell you about Tivoli Garden now. Anything I tell about Tivoli Garden and them places, I want me hear, I want me know from intelligence as a police. When I tell about PNP, then I talk about from personal experience, what I have seen, heard and felt. They are the one that issue guns in my community, M16s and 9mm pistol and 38. If you go kill people down Arima, kill at least 200 people to make Tony Spalding maintain power.
Yeah, it's terrible, but it's sad, but you know.
Yeah, but you need to educate yourself more, boy. You may tell you say you're way out there, you know. Way out.
But listen, make sure you vote for Camilla. I think Camilla can win still, but
make sure me vote. No, hey, look here. You know, boy, hey, look. You know about Project 25? Project 2025?
no.
See me, I tell you, see me. So you know what? You know, read or watch news and them thing there.
News, I have a lot of misinformation. Yeah.
All right. You need to go and read Project 2025.
Well, I do need to read more though, but this is work and everything. I mean, my system at work.
What kind of work you do?
I can't tell you what I work with the man. I work with the FBI, man. Yeah, but I'm busy at work, you know?
You couldn't, look here, you couldn't work with the FBI and so ignorant. I tell you that. Because you have to have knowledge about everything. You have to work, you understand what I'm saying? To work with that agency. You can't be that ignorant and all them things. And, you know, and dumb down yourself, you know what I'm saying? Everything you repeat about what you hear and everything. You have to read. You have to love to read.
Man, listen, you see that? The brothers are listen to you, you know what I say? The wise man listen, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
The greatest thing is to know, you know? But listen, man, keep up the good work you have done. I'm the man experience, you know? Because you have top shot skills, so you don't have to worry yourself, you know what I mean?
Yeah, we can't protect
you know what I
myself.
say?
Yeah, man. That's it.
You have top shot by your skill. Because you're not Florida, so Florida's a gun state, you know? So you can walk with your thing all the time. But that's peace and love, brother. Here, sir.
Alright, my boss. Blessed love, man. I'll do some more reading here.
Yeah, man. Now read the Marcus Garvey, man. I really need to.
Alright, my brother. Cool, yeah.
Take some time and start read a book a day. A book a week, you know what I mean?
Alright, my boss. Alright. And call me and let me know until you do it and everything. Alright?
Yeah, man. Respect, yeah?
Alright.
Cool. I'm not on your video channel still, but I listen to you more time.
Oh, you're not on Patreon?
No, I'm going to pay that $7.
Yeah. You have to call it that and them thing there. $6.99.
Yeah, I'm not really watching video. I don't have time for that because I work night time.
I just saw it go on them thing there, but you know, if you want, as I say, if you want to know more things, you go up this one them thing there. Because we are going to drop all that video on them thing there where intimate on them thing there where I tell you got hear about, when I talk about feelings, you know, I tell you about eyewitness, you got hear about police, criminality, police commit robbery, murder, and all kind of things. You got hear about Mark Shields, all them man that protect criminal at Jamaica. You see white man and them thing there. You got hear a whole heap of things.
But that's sad the thing with Mark Shields. But it's not a Jamaican.
Well, I saw it go on them thing there. You're going to hear that. You're going to hear that.
That don't make no sense. A white man from England.
I saw it go on them thing, the corruption.
Human rights have too much talk at Jamaica.
Well, them kind of shut up now on them thing. Because you have people like we who are there to keep them.
Yeah,
hey, look here. Yeah, man. Because, hey, look here. Let me tell you something. In case you don't know, you have criminal out there and them thing there, you know. We eat the same human rights group people them, you know. And look, and guess what? Between me and you, the same criminal them, you know. We eat them, you know, because of them the human rights people make for them friend. Them want to know which part them live to, you know. I tell you, you know. I tell you, you see a woman named Michael Jackson. You know how much criminal because she have license gun. She and the woman named Dana Scott Matley. Criminal one if you know which part them live, you know, because them want them gun, you know, and which part them officer downtown, you know. Yeah, what I mean, I tell you, boy,
still really affect people going to Jamaica. So much money to Jamaica, people need to do that.
Oh, you mean people don't want, I know that. The reason why, because them want to feed them family to feel what them go through as criminal. They make them feel it. I tell you, criminal want to know which part. I tell you, criminal want to know which part. They want to know which Dana Scotland Matley yard or address. Because they want her, you know, they want her office, the address.
That's easy. That's not hard to know. Easy enough to know.
Well, and everybody really that savvy and them thing there, you understand? But them want we forgive them and them thing there. And we tell them so we can't give them, we're not gonna do that to them thing there. But them want it because them want them want them gun and them thing there, and they want all our son gun. And them want them to feel what it feel when people kill for your family. She and Michael Jackson, the woman named Michael Jackson fan job. You see all the woman named Caroline Groups, I tell you say you see all the boy they she white. Boy, them I tell you them thing there. You understand? Boy.
You think you might get past the brother we kill him wife?
Sylvia?
I'm shooting her and I pump him. You think you might get that?
Why? Hey, anything happen? Anything can happen in Jamaica, you know? Because Jamaica, remember say, hey, look here, we live in a corrupt system, you know, worldwide, you know. You see? You understand?
Trinity kill him wife and get that, remember?
Who that?
Police Trinity.
Oh, when him kill her princess.
Yeah, and get that with that. So I mean,
but if him then kill princess, you would have kill him and them thing there. But him then deliberately kill her, you know. Because she not come to her and him fire a shot. And they shot ricochet and kill her, you know. He never deliberately for shoot her and them thing there. Fire the shot for scare her, but she ain't afraid of her because she a corrosive. I saw it going in married to corrosive. When you have police and them thing there are deep, you know mix up with corrosive and corrobonkers. But true Trinity are corrosive himself. You understand? That's why I mix up with she. That pay gunman that the girl did there with, you know, princess, you know.
Trinity not top gunman, man.
No, I was police and them thing there. Trinity, why all man to be gunman and man a police? So what that's about Isiah Laing then?
Isiah Laing a criminal.
Why you say Isiah Laing a criminal? Tell me now.
I can't get into that, but
no, I mean you can't. Now tell me.
Laing a criminal.
Tell me.
Bungus are criminal.
Alright, we know that, but tell me why you say Isiah Laing a criminal. Me know for your facts say Bungus are criminal, because I used to work with him.
And you don't think Isiah Laing a criminal?
Me not talk about think, man, and you are tell me, you say I'm a criminal, and I ask you, oh, you know say I'm a criminal. Tell me.
You can't tell me know that, but tell us I'm a criminal.
Why you can't tell? So, alright, you know what, you tell me say Harry Bungus a criminal, and I tell you, yes, me used to work with him and I'm a criminal for sure. He's not convicted for no crime, but me can't tell you say I'm a criminal.
No, I'm not convicted.
Yeah, but him have criminal tendency and him commit crimes. Me know that for a fact. Harry Bungus a criminal. Just like
Jamaica history of police.
Just like Renita. No, tell me about no. Hello. No, you say Isiah Laing a criminal. So tell me why you say I'm a criminal. What kind of evidence will you have? What knowledge you have about it?
Yeah, use the police statistics for me. We can't get
no, and the police statistics. But look here, are you share things with me and them things? So me don't know all that are police statistics. We have a conversation.
Right.
So just like how you tell me, you say Bungus is a criminal, and I say yes, me agree with you. Because me know that for a fact. Me know that for a fact. Me used to work at Harry Bungus at Hunsby and him a criminal. May I tell you, Harry Bungus get paid from Skendang to kill a boy named Ian Masco from Penwood Road, because them did know say the FBI the FBI investigate him, and him know Ian Masco, them fee say Ian Masco will give him up Skendang and our next brother when he Money Mike. So then they want to kill him.
I'll ask you one question. I get talk about this.
No, tell me about Isiah Laing. You tell me about Isiah Laing. You say I'm a criminal. Tell me. No, tell me.
You know eagle fly with eagle, right?
No, yes, but tell me about Isiah Laing.
May I ask you one question?
No, before you ask it, no man. Before you ask me.
They are criminals too, right?
Yes. So tell me about Isiah Laing. What you know about him?
Be well if you get talk about this one here. Keep up the good work and let the man them scared down here, so keep fighting. Yeah?
Oh, no man. I'm gonna get alone with you. How much time make you handed? One time.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, keep up there.
Oh, so you're afraid of Laing then, man?
No, man.
Yeah, man, you're afraid of Laing. You not afraid of Bungus? Because Bungus more dangerous. Bungus dangerous. Because Bungus aligned with clansman and one another.
The fear God.
No, Laing no affiliated with no gang. But Bungus Laing affiliated with all the man at Tivoli, Matches Lane. Laing no affiliated with no gang and them thing where you can point and say, boy, the man is Laing friend.
You know, Dudus and Laing are big friend.
Dudus and Laing are big friend.
You never know that?
No, you are telling me no know first, may I hear that? Oh, Dudus.
You're intelligent, man. You're supposed to know that.
Dudus. No, man. Dudus and Laing are friend. Are you for tell? Because Catburn Pen you come from, tell me how you know that. Huh?
But never eat dinner now. Let's keep up the good work here, sir.
But me not believe you still though. I like you tell Pan Laing, say man Dudus a friend. Me not believe what you say them things.
Huh?
You better did say, you know, better did say some so boy Iman skin you know, say Iman you know, Money Mike and them man they are friend and them thing there, but not Dudus and them thing.
No, let me your boy man here.
No, all Laing for be my boy. When Laing a policeman a police, or if you call the big man boy, Laing a senior man for me and them thing that's police. Or if you say boy, Laing a my boy. Laing a my boy man. Don't say that man. This the man and me. I mean, would never go tell nobody say nobody are my boy. Even if me even old on them.
Laing's a good guy still, you know?
So you would dry your statement now. You're not selling a team.
No, still a criminal, but still a good guy still.
Me don't know no good criminal, sir.
Huh?
I don't know no good criminal. That is your statement is contradictory.
Okay. You know next friend TT, you know TT?
Union TT.
You know TT?
Union TT.
Langbridge. On the Langbridge.
No, sir, I don't know. Who is he?
Big man, I look over here.
May I ask you who is TT?
Hey, I'm out here. Nice talking to you, man.
Alright, sir, cool.
Alright, bless up here.
Yeah, man, cool. Alright.
Simplify, man. But you was the Marine in me, alright?
No, you see, you listen, but you're not grasp me. Never in the army.
You was a Marine, alright, get there.
Me never in the army either.
Alright.
Simplify, you know what simplify mean?
Do or die, man.
I say you're the man, you know, is telling me about simplify, you know, and you know, telling me that I was in the army. I was never in the army. I was in the Navy, and the Navy and the Marine. We in the military, them say that we are the transport. You know, we on the ship we carry them. We take them anywhere they want to go, and then drop them on the land, and we stay on the sea. And you know, the best warriors them in the military are the Navy SEALs, SEAL Team 6. You understand? I was a part of the Navy. Get to one of the best training at Yakima, Washington. The Navy SEALs are located out of Coronado in San Diego. I used to station in San Diego. You understand? So this one is telling you about simplify, and simplify is short for semper fidelis, a Latin phrase meaning always faithful or always loyal. So you hear what I say. So you know you have some people in time them sound intelligent and sound bright in there. They must dunce. So it is a motto used in the United States Marine Corps and signify the lifelong commitment and loyalty that Marines pledge to their country, meaning the United States of America, their Corps and each other. So this motto embodies the values of honor, courage and commitment that are central to the Marine Corps ethos. So you know that in our Navy now and them thing, we use a thing when you honor, courage and commitment, which is a part of the Marine Corps ethos. The Navy, yeah, most people don't know them thing. The Navy and the Marine, them have the same secretary. Yeah, Secretary of the Navy. The Marine are the only branch where the Marine is like a stepchild of the Navy. Everything the Marine have to go through the Navy. And the Marine, them hate that, you know, from when them try to get them own Secretary of the Marine. The Air Force have them own secretary, the Army have theirs. The Marine, the Navy don't want to go after the Marine because they are the one that provide transport to them. You understand? But the Marine, so everything with the Marine, and I can tell you this, whether or not you want to believe it, them treat some of the Marine them really bad. Yeah, especially when them get injured. I just saw it go on them thing. All politics and one and two all that thing. So have yourself a nice day. So just enjoy and listen to what we are saying after the conversation with this man. You watch, you listen, and you decide. You're going to hear how we address this thing. Yeah, so we have reached to the end of, this conversation with this man, telling us about, so many, we have spoke of so many things. But you see, knowledge is power, so when you don't read as black people, that's why you're going to become an organic robot and a mouthpiece of these people. So you hear this black man who lives in America, he doesn't even know that the Republican Party is the Democratic Party of yesteryears, the same ones that used to lynch black people, the same ones who have the insurrection, yes, in Colfax, Louisiana, where they kill over 300 black people, and the same one who have the insurrection in Wilmington, North Carolina, where they kill over 3,300 black and white people. These are the same people who claim that they are Christians. They are the same ones today who are in the Republican Party. So these people are not, whether or not you want to believe it, these people are not your friends. And I'm telling you, as black people, as he has rightfully says that the Democratic Party, some people would call it the Democratic Party, they're just as evil as the Republican, but it's like people that say, boy, I better have both evils. One of them, I don't know, but you have to understand, sir, the devil is the art of confusion. So that's where you get all of these things where they have to say, man can be woman and woman. All of these things, they have nothing to do with black people. It's white people thing. It have nothing to do with all of them things. The LGBTQ plus thing is white people. Remember, if you go back even when I Bible, you know, these were the people who want to challenge God. You understand? When we say on earth, remember, you as we stated already, I live in a Bujuban and see that God had chased Satan out of heaven and Satan and chased him down to earth. So you have to understand, not because you see nobody with the hand and this and that, and if you remember, if you are an avid student of the Holy Bible, you would know that Satan was a very beautiful angel. And you understand what I'm saying? So if you go back to the Bujubantan thing, you will hear that maybe we tell you in our next video and repeat it to you that so you learn. Because over here, sir, and in entertainment, I will realize that most people, especially black people, love entertainment. Black people don't like knowledge. So everything them like is what them hear. And anything that you have heard here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you can repeat it anywhere in the world because it's gospel, it's the truth. We're not saying things to brainwash anyone. We're educating you. And we don't mince word for any political party because we are not beholden to anyone. You understand? Whether or not you want to believe it, you have to understand it's the same people since the death of Jesus Christ, over 2000. These are the same people who are still in charge of the system. At one time, our ancestors were back in Europe. That's why them said that here we are going. Most black people don't even know that. Now the Italians, you have the governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis. Ron DeSantis is not a white man. Yes, Italians are not considered white, Spanish, and Irish. These three people, and the Jews. But yet, all of these people now, them come up and, I wish people them hate black people. Because everybody was classified as black people. The NAACP wasn't formed. It was formed for everyone. The Italian, Irish, the Irish, and the Spanish. Spanish wasn't so much because the Spanish never have fight for the white. That was since I've lived. And the Jews for have some form of freedom in America. And some art, and gets the kind of respect where human being get. And then the white man give them and say, well, you see black people, them, you oppress them. So that's why we are at this juncture. Nobody like black people, but black people always love everyone. But if you see knowledge is power, and if you don't educate yourself by reading and pass it on to your children, you're not going to know all of these things. So that's why you hear this man repeat nonsense, I Republican free black people. That the Republican then are the Democrat Party after that day. Yes, I just saw it go. You have to understand how the split and the hatred. The reason why the split is the hatred toward black people and the insurrection. And the federal government was apartheid. You know about our Black Wall Street. So you have to understand, I see people them again, jealousy towards black people. Black people have been successful. Them hate black people create their own community. I say, alright, we don't have nothing to do with it, we don't hate we. We have our own community. Them never like that how the black people them live. So them attack the black people them and destroy them community. Over 100 years, and people are just over 2 years ago. Most Americans know about it. This is something that was in our history books in our university then, but guess what? You have to understand, say, in America, the media houses, are not the enemy, are the enemies of the poor. Whether or not you want to believe it. Can nobody feel say the media house look out for you, the poor people. Poor black or white people. They are there to oppress you, to maintain the status quo. Our rich people control own all of these cable news and everything there. None of them now look out for you. So when you are watching news, you have to watch it with a grain of salt and you have to learn to dissect things and understand the nuances of things that is happening around you. So we just hope you enjoy listening to this man. Some of the things that you did not hear, the reason is that we had some problem with the recording, during the conversation, and we lost like about maybe 6 or 7 minutes, when you understand, to get everything. So some of the things, as you heard, we mentioned in the beginning of the video, we lost it. It was lost during the recording. We never delete it, because you understand, as the man says that him said that Isiah Laing was in business with Christopher Dudus. We have no information of the same. And say last year, him say, you hear me? Him say with all of them information, they will lose it in the recording. Him say that Justin Ogively from Tivoli Gardens was instrumental in promoting this thing. With him say we don't know information about that. And I tell him, say yes, because so I say Laing our boy. I tell him, say Laing is not our boy, because Laing a big man for we, and Laing a police before we. You understand? And you hear him on and on. But we can say we cannot in good conscience, we cannot validate what he says about Isiah Laing. We have no information about that. We have never, even when we are a police officer, we have never heard of Isiah Laing and Christopher Dudus spoken business or friends. We have heard of other people who are in a front business, not only for Dudus, but other people, even Zeeks. Yeah, we know of people like, who have front business, like, whether or not you want to believe it, we're going to tell you about a man who have big business right now for Donald Zeeks Phipps, big man at Jamaica, and that man is just a front. So you have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.